Hey guys, it's Anna, and I'm excited to show you another trig problem that is going to be in my SAT and ACT prep math series. I'm really excited about this problem because it looks so much more complicated than it really is. They're going to try to throw Greek letters at you. They love theta. They love all these fancy Greek letters. Don't worry about these Greek letters. They're just like X or Y. They're just some unknown quantity, so please don't let them intimidate you. The problem says, for an angle with measure theta in a right triangle. So I always start to just visualize this. I start to draw it out as I hear it. So in a right triangle, okay, an angle with measure theta, we're just going to call this theta, okay, angle with measure theta in a right triangle, the sine of theta is 40 over 41, the tangent of theta is 40 over 9, and this should be tangent of theta. What is the value of cosine of theta? So if we know that our goal is to get cosine of theta, okay? So let's start off sine, cosine, tangent. We need to start off with our trig ratio. So we start off with sine, SOH, cos, CAH, TOA, TOA, right? These are our trig ratios. Go watch my other video if you don't know about these, but sine is the opposite side over the hypotenuse, cosine is the ratio of the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, tangent is the ratio of the opposite side over the adjacent side, so TOA. Awesome, so let's start to build up to cosine of theta. So sine of theta is going to be 40 over 41. So we know sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The top one is opposite. So now you might ask, how do we know which side to use or which angle to use for theta? It's whichever one we make up. So we make up that this one is going to be theta. The opposite side is going to be 40. So which side is opposite? The one that doesn't touch, okay? So here we go, 40, and the hypotenuse is 41. And again, this is because sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is the SOH, right? So it's 40, 41 for sine, and tangent of theta we know is 40 over 9. So 40, tangent, what is it? Opposite, 40. Checks out, good. And then adjacent, 9, right? Boom. Adjacent's the side that touches. Amazing. Are we ready to find cosine of theta? Yes, we are. So how do we find cosine? Cosine, as I've written up there, cosine is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so the adjacent side is 9. The hypotenuse is 41. There you have it. So much less difficult than it looks. Sine, cosine, tangent's just about keeping track of ratios. Make sure you know which side's opposite. Opposite's the one that doesn't touch. Adjacent's the side that touches. Hypotenuse is always the same no matter which angle you're looking at. You guys are going to smash it. Really proud of you guys. Keep up the hard work. Please subscribe to my channel for more math videos.